This instructional video only pertains to our CentralSound branded custom-made replacement parts kit for Sony XM4 wireless headphones. Here we have a Sony wireless headphones model WH-1000XM4. A common problem with these headphones is the side slider piece tends to break, which renders the headphones useless. As you can see on this pair, there's a plastic loop here on the outer piece that tends to crack and break off, and then the headband piece comes out and the ear cup just kind of dangles there. Unfortunately, this is a really common problem. So first thing you would do is remove these screws right here that hold the two parts together. Make sure to save those screws and put them aside. You will need them to install the new parts. You may need to cut and clip out this plastic loop piece if it's not broken. As you can see here, it's broken, so the parts come apart easily after you're unscrewed them. Next, you would remove these two screws. Make sure you hold on to those, set those aside, keep them separate from the other screws. Once those are removed, you can remove the plastic inner piece. Here we have our CentralSound custom-made replacement parts kit for the Sony XM4 headphones. We redesigned and re-engineered and manufacture these custom-made parts kit, which makes it way easier to install than the original Sony OEM parts. So we created a custom solution for customers and repair shops. It includes a small screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and your inner and outer piece for the left and right side. These parts are made in the USA out of nylon 12 plastic, which is a flexible type of plastic and not as brittle as the original OEM Sony parts. First thing you want to do is get the inner piece, and you kind of swoop in an upward motion to position it in place. Make sure the plastic post pieces are lined up. Once they are, you can insert the screws that you removed. Make sure not to over tighten those screws, as that could cause stripping. Next thing you would do is position the outer piece on the metal headband rail, and it slides right on. Once that's secure, you want to place the two pieces together, line them up, apply some gentle pressure to snap and clip them into place. Once they're in position, you will want to use the two screws and secure these two pieces together with those screws. Be careful not to over tighten them. Once the screws are in place, you are finished. The adjustable function still works, as you can see. Here's a close-up view of the fitment. Thanks for watching, and we hope this custom-made replacement parts kit will help you repair your Sony XM4 headphones.